right, are you ready for your testimonial?
Yes, I am.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm here with Vivex Credit Solution, and I'm going to share with you my results. My overall deletion ratio was 52.1, and I had total deleted items of, gosh, is that, I can't read this. I'm going to start
16
over.
out of 32.
Oh, your bar had to be a little bit longer, 16 out of 32. But I began with scores of 544, which was improved to 664, 526, which was improved to 547 with a very bad credit company, and another one with Equifax with 534, and that improved to 659. I was very happy with that. Total point improvements were 266. I was happy with that. And I was very, very happy with the work. People were extremely pleasant and very, very positive. They're going to do an additional attempt for me. I don't have any complaints. I wish that people would take advantage of this fine place, and I think that they would be very satisfied. Thank you.